Welcome to the Wachendorf Projektor tool tutorial. Today we will learn how to modify properties of certain objects. I've extended the example project from the last tutorial. I put a new numeric field in here and created a new variable step. What I want to do is have an editable step width for those buttons. So now they are fixed on -5 and +5. I want this to be dynamic. I want it to be the value that's in here, both functional but also visual. So first of all, we need to modify the scripts on those buttons here, because I've written here +5. This is not good. Var step equals get variable value step. Now we have the current step width in our script, and we just need to exchange 5 with step. Let me just access, let me copy this and access the minus script as well. Here we have it. I put the same thing in and step. So let me test this. The variable is initialized with 0, so right now when I click here, nothing will happen. Let's say it's 11 now. Now it increases and decreases by 11. So that's all very good. But there is still a 5 written here, and this we want to change now. For this we will use the onValueChangeByOwner event of the variable step. Okay, we will need a new script, step change. Okay, I created this before, let me apply it. Now it's here. Okay, so now I have to modify the string fields in my project. Let me show you this. Here I have the two buttons, minus and plus, and in those buttons there is the string field with -5 and +5. As you can see, the text that is written here is on the preview value. So what I do is, I will go back into the script. First, of course, I have to get the step value. And now I will use the setProperty function. You see it has 3 parameters. The object ID, which is the number in brackets here behind every object. So for the first one, it has to be the 40 for the string field of the minus button. The property name I told you is preview value. So now we just need the new value. Var step string equals, I want to have my minus sign plus the new value of step. And now I can put step string right here. And I can do the same again in the same script for the plus button. I just have to exchange the sign here, and the ID for the plus button is 39. So let me change this as well. And now we should already be done and can test our project. Let's see. You see the value changes on the buttons, and when I press, it also changes here. One small thing that still bugs me, it still says +5 here, and the initial value, the actual value of the step width is 0. So now I will use a nice event called onProjectInit, where I will create another script. This is always very helpful. I will just call it init to to have some variables have a fixed initial value. And I will just say set variable value step, and I will set it, for example, to 10. Sorry, see, I forgot to apply it. Init, apply, always important, easily forgotten. Okay, save the project. And now you see it will not be nicely initiated with 10. When I change it, it will change here as well. And everything works as it should.